Hi, this is Mr. Zhang from Visa in Korea. I've been very and busy past the 1 week, so I really tried to upload my new YouTube channel and the lecture, but I couldn't. And also, past 2 weeks, I had a lecture at the some institute, and it was very busy, and that's why you know it was very hard to do something, right? Because the weekdays and I have to visit to the immigration office for my clients, and this kind of a pandemic situations, as you know, they're like a Seoul, Incheon, and Gyeonggi provinces. These are have been like a very serious situation, and also the social distancing, the level, and that have been you know increased up to 2.5 level. So uh, anyway, so a lot of my clients ask me about some questions, and they really want to know, so that's why I make this presentation and to give some information on that. First of all, the F2-7 and the new rule, and it has started from December 1st, and already like 10 days before, right? More than 10 days before, and it started. And also I had an experience on that, and immigration officer, they checked it very closely, and based on the new rule. So some persons and I asked me about, and his an application has been rejected due to you know he thought he had enough point, right, with a new rule, but I think he got misunderstood. But anyway, the one of the questions that foreigners ask me about nowadays is how to extend my F2-7 visa, right? And he got his visa like before December 1st this year, and several years he extended. But as you know, everybody knows it, right? The last year, the 2019, until the until the January 2nd, 2020, the F7, if you have an income and you extended your the F7 visa, and without any like a point system application, right? But starting from this January 2nd, when you extend your F7, you need to have 80 point or higher, even when you extend your F2-7 visa, right? But also December 1st, and the new system is very strict, and has focused on your income basis, right? So the last year, like before the December 1st, and the income, the point, and start 1 point to 10 point, but right now is like a huge difference in the gap and between like compared to the last years. So this is a 10 point to the 60 point for the income. So if someone earns more higher income, it is a very beneficial to the change or extend their visa, right? So today's the question is uh somebody who got after 7 visa before the December 1st. So when they extended, which rule will apply? So today I'll make you clear for that. Okay, let's start the next one. Okay, and, this is the questions about the extension, right? And already you got a F2-7, and you may know that you need 80 points or higher when you extend it. But which guideline will apply when you apply for that? When you apply for your extension, okay? So I just make it clear for that. Okay, so there was the two things you can consider for that. So when you got your F2-7 visa before December 1st, a new rule, and there was a 1 year, 1 year, and grace period, right? So when you apply for the 2021, and you have a chance to use and the previous guideline, right? Or new guideline. You can choose one of the things. What its meaning is, okay? So if your points are 80 point using previous guideline, and if your new guideline, if your points based on the new guidelines are over 90 points because of you have a very high salary, so which one is better? Or or if your the points if your points and the based on the previous guideline is 75, and the new guideline is 90 points because of your income is higher. So, but I just said that you have a you can choose which one is better for you, and until next year, right? Because of our grace period will be given only just 4 years, so 1 year until next year. So you can decide that, right? When you extend the next year for your F2-7 extension, if you apply for the previous guideline and you have a benefit, you can use it. I'm sorry. Or if you apply for and the new guideline and also you got a lot of benefit, you can use a new guideline. This is a special rule. This is the exceptional one. New rule is apply the new rule. Okay, it is a conclusion is that you can choose you can choose previous guideline your point system when you extend your F2-7 visa in 2021, or if you apply to the new guideline got a more benefit because of a more detailed and extension of your period. So if you want to apply for the new guideline, it's okay, but you can choose it. But you must know that there is a 1 year grace period. So what about the 2022? All extension shall be applied by this new rule. Okay? Oh, I'm sorry. 2022. 2022. And you have to use new rule. So the most important thing is next year. So next year, you may choose this one or this one. You can choose which one is more better. I said that there is a condition. Only you have F2-7 before December 1st. So next year, 2021, you may have a chance to choose which one is better for you. But after 2022, yeah, there is no any exceptions, and you have to use new guideline. Everything is clear, right? Okay, so if you have any questions for that, right? If you have any questions about F2-7 and F5, and you just please kindly comment on the Facebook page or YouTube channel Visa in Korea 1, or if you want to listen or you want to a certain kind of a lecture, please comment on my YouTube channel. And also, your subscription and a press button and give more motivation to me. This is Mr. Zhang, the Visa in Korea. Thank you.